Hey guys, Chance here with Simply Clean Foods. I am here today to talk about the atmospheric generator, the one that we talked about on Captain Mount and Pastor Paul Bagley's show. What you guys see here is three parts of that unit, and this is what you would receive. You will receive the inverter with a built-in battery system. This is a 2400 watt system which can be used absolutely separate from the atmospheric generator in your home to provide much needed power during a power outage. In this case though, what we're talking about today is powering up this unit with the power of the sun. So below us you'll see the solar panels that are going to come with your unit. You're going to receive 4 of these. So let's talk about how do we connect these solar panels, which of course you're going to face south if you're in the US. And these are wonderful because they are flexible. You can bring these in at night in case you're worried about anyone taking them without permission. So guys, what I have here are the cables. These cables, they are positive and negative, are going to plug right in the side of this unit here. And you'll see that inside this unit, you will have a positive and negative. You're just going to basically snap that right in there, okay? It's as easy as that. The unit itself, okay, I hear a fan coming on. The unit itself, I've already plugged in. You'll have 5 outlets here. Just choose one of those in this situation. This can be powered by solar panels. It can be powered by your vehicle, 12 volt. This can even be powered by plugging into existing power from the grid, okay? So we are all set up here, and as you can see, I've just powered up the inverter itself, and look at that, the unit just came on. It's showing that, yeah, here it goes. I'm gonna have to speak up because it's not too loud, but it'll probably interfere with your microphone. So I'm showing just in the building here, this is our warehouse here in Texas, I'm showing 54% humidity right now in this building, 54%. So we're going to come over on our selector switch and we're going to match that number. Right now I'm at 44. We're going to match that to 54%. And when that happens, and it just did, now we are in action, okay? So it's saying right now we have 13 hours of power in this inverter right now, already charged up, okay? So this is, you put it at 54%, it's going to start making water, okay? The next step is pretty easy, guys. This is your 5-foot hose, and this is how you're going to collect the water into your reservoir. Maybe it's your garden you want to connect to. So we're just going to connect this hose to the unit, because if we don't do that, we're going to have water all over the place. Okay, so it has, oh, look at that. So it just moved to 86 hours. So what it's going to do is it's saying, I'm producing water. I'm going to take just a second until that humidity gets at the level that I need it to get at. It's going to start producing water again. This is how we can power this water 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. So this 5-foot hose, I'm going to take it out here so you guys can see. This 5-foot hose works on gravity fed, right? So we need that unit higher. We need that unit higher than your reservoir. So we can gravity feed right into, let's say, a 5-gallon bucket or into a tank maybe under the ground, right? So that's what we're doing with this 5-foot hose, okay? All we did was we connected it on the side. I'll show you guys this again. There's a little clip here. Plug it into the side of the unit and put the clip on, and you're solid. You're ready to go. Okay? So as you can see, this is really simple. In your situation, you're going to have 4 of these solar panels. So you're going to connect 2 to one of the inputs and 2 to the other inputs. All of your wires, everything, your adapters and connectors will be included in this package, okay? So as you can see, this is really simple. Now, I want to pull the solar panel out of the way for a moment. I want to show you guys something. The idea behind this system is that we're really portable. So you can see over here, even the atmosphere collector has wheels. You can wheel this right into your garage, into your home, whatever is convenient for you. You can see it's got wheels over here. So this makes this system real portable, very easy to move around on wheels. The inverter sits right on top of that, okay? So I hope that this has been helpful to folks. Our next video is going to show this unit in action producing water. And it produces a lot of water. And I'll just tell you something kind of funny. I had this in my carport. I walked away just to get a bite to eat, and I came back and it was flooding the carport because I didn't have a reservoir. So don't do what I did. Anyway, guys, this is so simple, so easy to set up, and this is exactly how this gets shipped to you. If you guys have any questions, you know that you can reach out to us by phone at 512-483-4178. Again, 512-483-4178. If you have any questions, we'd be more than happy to answer those. For our new customers, if you're curious, this entire system is only $2,950. We're taking pre-orders right now, which is a deposit. I think that's $1,475 is the deposit on that. And what this does is it sets aside one whole system just for you. And when that system comes in, outside of this country, it's shipped into the U.S. When this system comes in, this will be yours the moment it arrives, and we'll get it right to your doorstep free of charge, okay? Thank you so much, and we'll be talking to you very soon. Bye-bye.